Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 16 Pro, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 16 Pro. In today's video, I'll be reviewing this Thinborne slim case made with carbon fiber for the 16 Pro. I think it's actually Aramid Fiber. It's one of the thin, minimalistic cases that you look for. Those are becoming some of my favorite cases to rock. I need to give a shout out to Thinborne for actually sending this out to me for review. Shout out to owner Cole. He's always on Twitter. He supports the smaller YouTubers and he gives out his cases to a bunch of different YouTubers, and they work out really great. I love using them. It feels like you don't have a case on your phone. But like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can you wireless charge? How strong is the magnet? Do you get any type of camera protection? Does it have bulk? Does it fit good? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. Like I said, I will have links in the description. You can pick it up from their website, and that helps them out and also supports the channel. But bam, nice presentation. It says what it is down there. And these cases always comes with a screen protector, so you always get the screen protector stuff here. It tells you what type of charger it works with. And then also another warning there. So you have a bunch of warnings. But here's the case itself. Like I said, minimalistic. Bam. It does have a cutout for the camera button. And then here's the screen protector. Again, I'm not going to really use the screen protector. I already have one on there. But, I mean, for the price, and then also you get a screen protector with your case, that's pretty good. But here's the case itself. It has the MagSafe in there, the Thinborne logo. Bam. Let's see how it fits. So, do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. Now, the lip protection is not there. Like on most of the minimalistic cases, it's not there. So you don't get lip protection. Wear that screen protector that you get. Look at the camera cutout. I like how they did it. It's very minimalistic and it doesn't leave a lot of room to get damage on there. The power button is open. The volume rockers and the action button. Everything lines up at the bottom there. But does it add bulk? No. It doesn't add bulk. You can tell it doesn't add bulk. It feels good in the hands. Everything's accessible. I mean, you can press them easily. Get to the camera button. The overall fit, yeah, it's going to be good. It's going to take a little work to get this off. But if you like the minimalistic style, then this one you may want to pick up because it does its job. It's very minimalistic. It doesn't feel like you have a case on it. How strong is this magnet? I can wireless charge with this. And that magnet is pretty strong. Let's see. Let's give it the test. Oh, okay. That magnet is strong in there. It's definitely one of the strongest magnets I have. Man, let's try out the other way. Getting a ring. I mean, yeah. I can't even get it off. So, it's probably one of the strongest magnets that you're going to have for your iPhone 16 Pro. One of the strongest ones that I have tested out. I definitely, if you want a strong magnet, then this case may be for you. But let's wrap this up. Let's check off some boxes and see what is good. Do you get camera protection? Check. The power button, the camera button, I'm going to give that a pass. I like how they did it. Everything lines up at the bottom. The only complaint I have with minimalistic cases like this, you don't get the lip protection, so you really do need a screen protector on there. The fit is really good. It's not too hard to get off, but not too easy either, so I do like that. The magnet is probably one of the strongest magnets I have tried on many different cases. If you look at my channel, I've been reviewing a lot of iPhone cases. One of the strongest magnets out there right now. So overall, it checks off a lot of boxes. Again, if you want to pick this up, look in the description. I will have the links there. You can definitely help support a small case company and a small YouTuber. Also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 16 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.